Google account, how to change phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your phone number of Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to change the phone number for your Google account, it's actually quite simple. Open any Google related app, which could be Google app itself, Chrome app, YouTube app, or whatever else, doesn't really matter. You have to tap the profile icon at the top right hand side of the screen and then go to the option here, manage your Google account. So tap on it. Now once you go to manage Google account, you want to go to personal info, since we are trying to change our personal phone number. Once we're here, just scroll down a little bit further below, and here you'll find your phone number and both of the phone number if you've added a backup phone number as well or whatever else, and then just make sure to tap on that phone number option. And as you do that over here, you should be able to see all of the phone number that you've added. So if you'd like to go ahead and then basically change a certain phone number or remove a certain phone number, you can just select that, and once done, you can just tap on the delete icon, tap on remove number in order to remove that particular number. And this way you should be able to actually change your phone number, and if you want to add other ones, by the way, you can do so respectively as well. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.